Here we are in the heart of the estate, between the woods and clearing of the Châteauneuf parcel, a lovely gravelly hilltop that you will see at the next stop, and the little public path that runs alongside our plots. Over the past 25 years, we have replanted more than 5 kilometers of diversified hedges to accommodate local flora and fauna, to maintain and even develop the ecosystem around our vineyards. The hedges and plants you see around you are local species and real hotbeds of life for auxiliary fauna. The existing trees and all those we have replanted, 10,000 in all, contribute to maintain a cool temperature of the area. They are essential to the vineyards as they are great regulators, providing shade for our sheep and horses who rest there. Our 2 draft horses, Hali and Goliath, plow the soil with great care. More agile and lighter than a tractor, they pack the soil less and can get into sloping plots or those where the clay soil is less practicable after the rains. They are part of our team.